me show you how you can install the sales agent that then appears in Microsoft 365 chat over here, as well as in Outlook. This should be simple, but it's not, unfortunately, for many people, including it wasn't for me some time ago. Anyway, so here we go. You start with Microsoft 365 chat, and in here you go into all agents and simply start typing in sales over here. So I'm going to say I am looking for sales agent, right? Now, if you type in sales agent, this kind of sucks, unfortunately, but it doesn't appear. So you just got to type in sales. That's it. This one right here, I wish it said that I am sales agent, but it doesn't. But that's a sales agent. So look for this icon. All right, once you have it, click on it. If you don't have it, so I've gotten rid of it so I can install it and show you guys, you just click on add over here. Okay. As it says, what you can do with it, obviously there's a lot. You get Copilot directly into applications that sellers use daily. So you got Copilot, which is here, and the Copilot Chat. You got an Outlook and Teams. At least you need the Microsoft 365 Copilot license for sure. You may or may not need an additional Dynamics 365 Sales Copilot license. Anyway, let's go ahead and add it. Okay, so that was pretty simple. It's there. I can start chatting with it now if I want to. Obviously, CRM connection is required. Looks like it automatically connected after it said that error. Since I do have Dynamics 365 Sales, it looked for it, I guess, in my tenant and automatically connected to it. But if it doesn't in yours, you might want to connect that. And then, yeah, that's about it. Basically, if you're in regular chat, you can say @mention, type in sales, it's going to appear there, and you can start chatting with it. If you're in all agents here, you can go into see more, look for agents, and sales agent should be there. You go into that, and you can start chatting with it here. Okay. Again, I guess it's giving me the setup is not done, so I do need to make additional changes as an admin. All right, you can add content here. You can select sources. So I just wanted to show you this thing is exactly the way it's experienced when you're trying to install it. So you can see it, good and the bad and the ugly. And the same thing you're going to see in Outlook as well. So if you go to Outlook, just restart it, you should be able to see sales agent over there as well. Here I am in my Microsoft Outlook. And in here, if you don't see on the Home tab the sales agent, you want to click on More Apps. And from here, you'll find Sales. And now you have the sales agent in here in Outlook, and you have the sales agent in Microsoft 365 Chat.